Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language in Merge Garden game. To change language setting on Merge Garden to your preference, first of all launch open the Merge Garden game on your device, and once you're inside the main game screen, go to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal menu button. From the expanded menu that pops up on the screen, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on the Language drop-down at the bottom left. Select a different language option from the list that you want to change to, and this will quickly restart the game in your chosen language. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on Merge Garden. If you ever want to change your language again, get back to the same menu under Language and select a different language of your choice. So that's how you can easily change or switch the language in Merge Garden smoothly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.